Hi, I am Nasir from Freelancer and Programming Tips and Tricks. And in today's tutorial, we will learn about HTML images and also about HTML image tag. First of all, in HTML, images are defined with the img tag, as we already know about this. The img tag is empty, it contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. The src attributes specify the URL web address of the image. The basic general HTML tag start and HTML tag close. Then we should take the body tag so that we can show our content in the body. Here I will take img tag, as we already learned about this, and then we give it a source, and here we will go any URL, and the next thing we also specify its alt attribute, which I will explain in the next section. Alt, here some text will go here and the tag close. This is the basic general syntax for the image tag. The next thing is the alt attribute. The alt attribute specifies an alternative text for an image. This is called alt attribute. If the image cannot be displayed, the alt attribute provides alternative information for an image if a user for some reason cannot view it. That is because of slow internet connection, an error in the src attribute, or if the user uses a screen reader. If a browser cannot find an image, it will display the alt text. So here we take an example. First of all, I have some images in the desktop, and I first of all save this page at desktop with images.html, and extension should be HTML. So I save this page. Now I give the path to the image in the URL, which is at desktop. Here this is image, and this is a PNG image. Its name is image. I will call this image here image.png, as its extension is PNG, and here we will give the alternative text. If the image does not show, then the alternative text will always show at that page. Now let's see in the browser. So here we can see the image comes as we give in the URL. Now, what are the screen readers? A screen reader is a software program that can read what is displayed on a screen. Screen readers are useful to people who are blind, visually impaired, or learning disabled. Screen readers can read the alt attribute too. The image size, width and height. What is the image width and height? Here we will also discuss about width and height. There are two methods to give width and height to the image. The first method is by giving the style attribute, and the second method is by giving directly width and height. So first we will give the width. For example, first of all we take style. This is also called inline style, and we will give width is as, for example, 128 px, and height 120 let's say 160 px. Right, now save this image and see what happened. Now its width and height has been changed. This is because as I have changed the width and height in the style attribute, so the image width and height has been changed. So here the image and its width and height has been changed. The other method or a second method to give the width and height is the width and height property. Alternatively, you can also give the width and height in the directly by the directly method. So here I take image src is equal to image.png, as I have the image at desktop, alt text for example girl, and here I will give the width directly is equal to width for example 260px as I have already given, and height for example 128px, and image tag close. Let's see what happened in browser. Now the same width and height has been set as I have given in the style attribute. So this is the these are the two methods to give the image width and height. Both the width and height and the style attributes are valid in the latest HTML5 standard. We suggest you use the style attribute. If it use the style attribute, it prevents style sheets from changing the original size of the image. So let's say I define a style in the head section, head, and here I will define a style image let's say its width is 100%. Save and see in the browser. Now in as we have given the width and height in CSS, the image will not be changed. But if we give the width and height in HTML, then the CSS properties will change that image width and height. So we recommend to use the style attribute to give the width and height to the images. So next thing is the if you have images in another folder, as I have desktop, I have images in this folder, pics. I have one image in same image in this folder. So I want to call this image in my HTML page. So what I can do, I just give the folder name, and the image will display here. Image src, and here I will define the image path, which is the pics / image.png. This is the image path, and alt is equal to girl pic, and let's say its width and height, style, width 260px, and height 128px. Image tag close. Now if as I have given the path to the image which is in the pics folder, now I have saved it, and let's say in the browser, and you can see that the third image is also displayed, as we have given the path to the other images, I also give the path in the this image as in the another